Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ndem and you're so welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. On today's video, I'll be doing a no foundation makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial will be quick and straight to the point. Okay guys, what will be needed for this tutorial will be your concealer. I'm using this makeup palette. Your setting powder and your pencil for your eyebrows. So let's get started. First of all, I'll start with my eyebrows and I'll make it quick. Okay guys, I'll use my eyebrow brush to brush up my hair like that. Then I'll just fill in I just lightly fill in. Like that. Just going in again with my brush and just brush everything. So I'll be taking my concealer and I'll apply that at the back of my hand. I think I'm running out of this. Then I'll take my brush, grab a little bit, now I'm just using the brush and blending in the concealer like that. Now guys, with my concealer again, I'll just apply the under of my eyes like this. So now I'll just use my beauty blender and just blend that in. The concealer brush I'm just using the concealer brush now to apply on the areas where I want to cover on my face.
I know. I don't know that.
Then I'll go ahead and blend it. Okay guys, I'm just taking an eye primer, apply a little bit on my eye. And I'll just blend that. Then I'll take my setting powder and just brush it on it like that. Then with my loose powder, just the cover, and just apply that, brush that on my face. Now for my eyeshadow, I will be using this just a nude color. Then this dark brown. Then with this brush, I'll use this brush to blend the two together. I'll go ahead with my eyeliner. Okay guys, I'm going to apply a little bit of this shimmy color. Just use my hands for that. I'll use my mascara because I'll not be putting lashes. Okay guys, going in with the gold shimmy color, I'll take a little bit and apply that on my nose. Then for my lips, I'm just going to use a lip gloss. I'm just going to use this lip gloss. Okay guys, I'll just go ahead now and set my face. Okay guys, that was it for this video. If you like this makeup look, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video you won't miss out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.